Welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Moses. Mwadende FMD by Moses. In program number 22, we are going to write a program to calculate the area of triangle after receiving input from user. So, from our book, as shown in figure 39, this is a piece of code to be written on compiler, and on figure 40, this is a sample output how your console should be looked like after compiling and running your program. So let's go and open our compiler. Control N for creating new file in Dev C++, hash include IOStream, using namespace std int main, our main function, yes, a curly bracket. Okay, here put a comment that this is C++ program to calculate area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of rectangle, area of rectangle. So int int width, int length, okay, double area, then prompt a user, send a message to the user, so user can enter variable C++ program to find area of rectangle, area of rectangle, like this, and then end line, enter, cout, enter width of rectangle, and then end line, cin width, just for reading width from keyboard entered by user, then enter length of rectangle, prompt a user to enter the length of rectangle, then read length of rectangle entered by user. Okay, then area of rectangle is equal to width times length. Then cout the area of rectangle after obtaining obtaining its area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is area. Then return 0 as it is the end of our program. So the last part is to compile and run it. So this should be saved as rectangle.c_p. So compile and run and save it as rectangle.c_p. As you can see, our program is free of errors and warning. So we should compile and run it. So we can enter the length and width of rectangle. So enter the width of rectangle. Let me enter number 4. Enter the length of rectangle. Let me say number 5. Oh, the area of rectangle is 20. So let us compare the output shown in figure 40 and our output from the console. As you can see, they look similar. Output from our book and output from the console are similar. So that means we are right, or we are correct. And that is the end of program number 22, which was we are dealing, or we are finding the area of rectangle. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. But I remind you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. See you in the next video.